Uncle Jason, strong and kind, a loving heart, one of a kind, a good father, always there, showing his family endless care. A loving husband full of grace, bringing smiles to every place. A virtuous, strong and full of light, chasing success